Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to subscribe to PS Plus on your PlayStation 5. I'll also walk you through how to make sure you cancel the auto renewal so you don't get hit with a charge and not know it a year from now or monthly or whatever it may be. So here we are on my PlayStation 5. You need to update to the most recent software or firmware version, and you want to log in and sign in to your account and be connected to the internet. Once we're here, you want to go over to where you see either the PlayStation Store or PlayStation Plus option. Go ahead and click into the PlayStation Plus option. You'll see a couple of options here, but the one we want is subscribe. There are 3 plans that you can choose. You can do premium for $160 for every year, or you can do the extra, which is 12 months for $135, or the essential, which is their bare bones $80 per year option. Now, there are options by tapping the L2 and R2 button to change the duration of the subscription. So if you only want this for 1 month for a specific game, you can hit L2 twice to take you over to the 1 month option, and it'll let you know the prices for that there. Now, if you are ready and you select the plan that you want, so let's say I want the essential 1 month plan, go ahead and select that option there. Now, it says, why not choose a 12-month plan? They're obviously going to try to upsell you. Go ahead and either hit skip or subscribe. So we'll go ahead and go to skip that option there. And then it says your 1 month PlayStation subscription will renew automatically. So understanding that is going to renew every single month. And then go ahead and make sure that you have a payment method on file. If you need to, you can select these 3 dots here, and you can actually go to change payment method and insert your card or PayPal information there. Once you're ready, you go to confirm purchase and you are good to go. You now have a subscription. It'll ask you to confirm once more and you're good to go. Now, how do we cancel the auto renewal? Back out of this, go back to your home page here on your PlayStation 5 and go up to the gear icon here in the upper right-hand corner next to your profile image. Go ahead and select settings. Under settings, you are going to want to go to where you see right here, users and accounts. Go to users and accounts here. Once you're on the account option, go over and go to payment and subscriptions. Go ahead and select that. And then you'll see a bunch of options here. Go down to subscriptions where it says manage your subscriptions. I obviously don't have any, but if you have a PS Plus subscription, which I assume you now do, you can go and select that and manage that subscription and cancel that auto renewal from this subscriptions page here. So that's it. That's how you get PS Plus on your PlayStation 5. That's how you also cancel the auto renewal. If you have any further questions, put them in the comment section below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.